Hi children, good morning Nana, welcome to maths class. So in yesterday's class we completed up to 7th Roman Nana. So in today's class I am going to revise the remaining concepts. Okay children, are you ready Nana? Open your maths homework and continue the revision. FA1 revision, 7 Romans has completed, now 8th Roman. Okay. So in the 8th Roman, write the greatest and write down Nana. Write the greatest. Write along with me Nana. Write the greatest and smallest 6-digit numbers formed by all the digits eight, 7, 0, 4, 2, 9 and find the sum. Find the sum and difference of those numbers. Of those numbers. Okay Nana? Now see ma. First, greatest 6-digit number. Greatest. So without repeating the digits Nana. Greatest 6-digit number. Equal to. So if you arrange the digits from the highest to lowest, that means biggest to smallest. 9, 8, 7, 4, 2, 0. 9,87,420. So in bracket we write without repeating. Okay ma? So without repeating numbers, how to form the greatest 6-digit number? If you write the digits from the greatest to smallest, then we will get the greatest 6-digit number. Now smallest 6-digit number. So don't start with 0. Already explained in the previous class. If you start with 0, it becomes a 5-digit number. Why? Because 0, left side 0 has no value. So that go to the next smallest number, that is 2. So 2,04,789. So 2,04,789. Now you find the sum. Sum means what we do children? Yes, plus. Key plus. 0 plus 9, 9. 2 plus 8, 10. 1 carry, 0 down. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry and write 2 in the hundreds place. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry and write 2. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So 11,92,209. So this is the sum of greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. Now we find the difference. Okay ma? So difference, the place is not enough further. So you note down in the homework. Next to difference. So the difference equal greatest 6-digit number 9,87,420. Difference means minus. So 2,04,789. You do this subtraction side. Two lakh 4,789 minus 0 minus 9 not possible. So take borrow 10 to become 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. Again take borrow 11. 4 become 3. 8 to 11 is 3. 7 is greater than 3. So we can't do directly. Again take borrow 13. 7 becomes 6. 7 to 13 is 6. 4 to 6. 4 after 5, 6. 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7,82,631. Okay, the difference equal to 7,82,631. So like this, we will write the, first you have to form the greatest to 6-digit number, smallest to 6-digit number without repeating digits. Later we find the sum. Sum means addition, difference means subtraction. Okay ma? Is it clear to you children? Note down in your homework book ma. Now, next see Nana, some word problems. So I will revise some word problems Nana. 9th Roman word problems. So here they given a box of medicine contains 4 lakh tablets. See ma, I will change the numbers while doing revision. A box of medicine contains 3 lakh tablets, each weighing 12 mg. What is the total weight? All the tablets in the box in grams and kilograms. So this is the problem Nana. Just I change the numbers. So here 3 lakh okay, but I will change the each weighing 12 mg. In your textbook they are given 15 mg Nana. So if I change the numbers also, you can do the problem easily. Okay, that same model only. Come on, tell me what is the first step? A box of medicine contains 3 lakhs tablets. Okay, so number of tablets. In a box, in medicine box. So how many tablets are there? 3 lakh. So here they are given, this is tablets, medicine box. So each weighing given. So weight of each tablet. Weight of each tablet equal to 12 mg. Okay Nana, 12 mg. Now we have to find total weight of all tablets. So see children, here they are given 1 tablet weight and we have to find out the 3 lakh tablets. So here we will do multiplication Nana. 3 lakh into 12. So 12 3s are 36 lakh mg, milligrams. Okay ma, mg means milligrams. But here they are asking total weight of tablets in the box in grams. Grams and kilograms. So first we have to convert into grams. So weight of tablets, weight of tablets in grams. Here they are given mg. So to convert the grams, we will divide by 1000. Okay, don't forget it children. Okay, so it's a very easy problem Nana. So number of tablets in the medicine box is 3 lakh. So weight of each tablet equal to 12 mg. So total weight of all tablet equal to 3 lakh into 12. So 3 lakh into 12 means 12 3s are 36 lakh mg. But they are asking the weight of tablets in grams. So weight of tablets in grams equal to 36 lakh by 1000. So you should divide by 1000, then we can get the tablets weight in grams. That equal to 3 zeros cancel. So 3600 grams. Okay. Again they are asking the weight of tablets in kilograms. So to convert the grams into kilograms, again you divide by 1000. Okay ma? So 1 kg equal to 1000 grams Nana. Then 1 gram equal to how many kgs? 1 by 1000. So same like that, to convert these grams into kgs, you should divide by 1000. Okay ma? So you can't see the board here, that's why I'll write the next step upside. So write down weight of tablet, weight of tablets in kgs or in kilograms equal to 3600 by 1000. So here see children, 3 zeros are there. So 3 numbers before we should keep point. So 3.6 kg. Okay Nana? How do you convert? So here see 2 zeros cancel. 110 is there Nana. 36 by 10 means 1 number before we should keep point. So it is 3.6 kg. Is it clear to you Nana? Note down in your homework book. Next question. And you know that Nana, 1 quintal equal to 100 kgs. Okay. Don't forget it. 1 quintal how many kgs? 100 kgs. And 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kgs. And second one, see Nana. In an election, the successful candidate registered 3,85,672 votes and his nearest rival secured 38,247 votes. Find the majority of successful candidate. Okay, Nana? So first try to read the given problem, Nana. In an election, the successful candidate registered how many votes? Yes, number of votes registered by the successful candidate equal to 3,85,672. So see children, I changed the number. This number is not given in your textbook. I changed this number. Okay, Nana? And his nearest rival secured 38,247. Then find the majority of the successful candidate. How do we get this answer? As by doing addition or subtraction or multiplication? Yes, by doing subtraction. Come on, tell me the first step, Nana. Number of votes registered by successful candidate. So 3,85,672. Okay, ma? And next step, number of votes secured by his nearest rival. Equal to 38,000. See children, here you must be very careful. It's not in lakh. So this is 38,000. So you write under the 10,000s place 38,247. Here you must be very careful to note down the numbers. Don't write 3 under the lakh. You have to write under the 10,000s place. Okay, ma? Now, what they are asking the question, find the majority of the successful candidate. So, majority of votes got by successful candidate. Okay, Nana? So, here we do the subtraction. Come on, tell me the subtraction. 2 minus 7 not possible. So, that you take borrow 12. 7 before 6. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 to 6. 4 after 5, 6. 2. 2 to 6. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 80 is greater than 5. So, you have to take borrow. 8 to 15, 7. 3 to 7. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 3. So, 3,47,425. How many votes got by the successful candidate, Nana? Yes, 3,47,425 votes. Okay. And now, is it clear to you children how to do this problem? These all problems you have to practice, Nana. And next one. So already I given the steps also in your classwork. And next one. Write some daily life situations where we can use large numbers. Write some daily life situations. Where we can use large numbers. Okay, ma? Come on, tell me. You have to think and say, Nana, some daily life situations. Okay. First, to find the distance between the sun and earth. Next, to calculate the population of India. Calculate the population of India. So, to find the number of stars number of stars in the universe. Okay, where we use number of stars in the universe and to find the cells in our human body. So there are so many cells, no Nana? So to find the cells in human body. Next, tell me where we use ice to find the mass of the earth. The mass of the earth. Mass of the earth. So here we use the large numbers. Okay, Nana? So write some daily life situations where we can use the large numbers as to find the distance between the sun and the earth and sun and the earth, Nana. Okay. And next to calculate the population of India and find the number of stars in the universe, find the cells in the human body and to find the mass of the earth. Okay. So in other situations also if you know, you can write, no problem. Okay, ma? And next one. How many thousands make 1 million? How many thousands? So if you can't write in time, just pause the video and write, Nana. How many thousands? See, Nana, how many thousands make 1 million? So, and you know that very well, Nana. 1 million equal to how many lakhs? So, you know that 1 million equal to 10 lakhs, isn't it? 10 lakhs, 10 into 1 lakh, how many thousands? Lakh, write down lakh. First, next, in lakh, how many thousands? Tell me, 1 million equal to 10 lakhs and 10 into lakh means 1 lakh. So, 1 lakh, how many thousands, Nana? 100 thousands, isn't it? Okay. So, 10 into 100, 1000. So, 1000 thousands. So, 1 million equal to 1000. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs, Nana. 10 will write as it is. Lakh means we will write 1 lakh. So, in 1 lakh, how many thousands? 100 thousands. 100 thousands. 10 into 100,000. Here already thousands. So, 1000 thousands. How many thousands make 1 million? 1000 thousands make 1 million. Okay, ma? 1000 thousands make 1 million. Okay. So, you will take the place value chart and you have to write directly also, no problem. Okay, ma? And next one. Next problem. Write down, Nana, explain terms. Explain, you should learn this, Nana. Explain the terms cubic, TMC, metric ton and kilometer. And kilometer. Okay. Note down in your homework book. Already I given this in the classwork, Nana. Once again I revise this. Yes, tell me, Nana, cubic and TMC is the used to measure the water flow, isn't it? So, cubic means cubic feet per second. TMC mean 1000 million cubic feet. Okay, so these are used to measure the water flow, and TMC is generally used to measure the big quantity of water in the large quantity of water for big dams. Okay, Nana? So TMC is the unit to measuring the quantity of water for big dams. Okay, Cubic means cubic feet per second, and it is the flow of 28.316 liter per second. Okay, ma? And TMC means 1000 million cubic feet, and 1 TMC equal to 28.316 billion or 2831.6 crores liters. Okay, and what is meant by metric ton? Yes, metric ton is generally referred as ton. Okay, Nana? It is used to measure the weights of goods, products like food grains and the others. Okay, Nana? 1 metric ton equal to 1000 grams, 1000 kilograms. 1 metric ton equal to 1000 kilograms. Is it clear to you, children? And what is meant by kilometer? Yes, kilometer is used to measure the distance. Okay, and next 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Already explained in the previous classes, Nana. So what is meant by cubic? Write down. Cubic equal to cubic feet per second. Cubic feet per second, and flow of 28.316 liter per second. Okay, ma? And it is used generally. Cubic is measure of water flow. Same like that, TMC. Next, TMC means 1000 million 1000 million cubic feet. Okay, ma? 1000 million cubic feet. It is also used to measure water flow. To measure of water flow. Okay, Nana? So TMC means 1000 million cubic feet, and it is also used to measure of the water flow. Generally, TMC is used generally. TMC is a unit generally used for measuring quantity of water for big dams. Okay, so how much water is there in the big dams? How can we know? By using this unit TMC. Okay, ma? TMC means 1000 million cubic feet. It is also used to measure the water flow. TMC is a unit generally used for measuring quantity of water for big dams. Okay, children? And next one. See ma, next one. Metric ton. Metric ton. What is meant by metric ton? Metric ton. It is used. So metric ton, it is used to measure the weight of the products. Weight of the products. Okay, Nana? So metric ton means it is used to measure the weight of the products like food grains and others. So metric ton is referred as a ton, and 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. Okay, 1 quintal equal to 100 kgs, Nana, but 1 ton equal to 1000 kgs. Okay, and next one. What's the next one? Yes, kilometer. So kilometer is used to measure the distances. Next topic, kilometer. So it is used to measure the distance. It is used to measure the distance. Okay, Nana, kilometer is used to measure the distance. And 1 kilometer equal to how many meters, Nana? 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Okay. It is used to measure the distances, and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So to convert the meters into centimeters, you should multiply this 1000 by 100. Why? Because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, children? What is meant by cusec, TMC, metric ton and kilometer? This all you have to learn perfectly, Nana. Okay? And next, note down in your homework book. Now, another word problem, Nana. So, just I will explain this problem and leave, Nana. You have to do your own. See, children, all of you open your maths textbook. The population of 4 South Indian states according to 2011 census. See, children, wait, ma. These are 1.4, Nana. 1.4. Open exercise 1.4. Fourth sum, the population of 4 South Indian states according to 2011 census. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. They are given the populations, Anna. What is the total population of South Indian states? Come on, tell me how to write this. Very, very easy. So the population of Andhra Pradesh, the population of Karnataka, the population of Tamil Nadu, the population of Kerala. Therefore, the total population of 4 South Indian states. So you have to do all that numbers addition. Okay, Nana? So do this problem your own. It's a very, very easy problem. So the population of Andhra Pradesh, the population of Karnataka, the population of Tamil Nadu, the population of Kerala. 4 steps. 3 steps is over, Nana. 4 steps. Then 5th step is the total population of 4 South Indian states equal to. You have to add all those numbers. Okay, ma? Shall we go to the next problem? So my dear children, don't forget this. You have to do your own this problem. Okay. And next one, estimate. So the remaining board problems also you have to learn from the classwork and do, Nana. Now estimate the sum. Estimate the sum, product, estimate the sum, difference and the product and quotient by rounding of the numbers. Okay, ma? First, note down this. Estimate the sum, difference, product and quotient. So at a time I will give, Nana, this one by rounding of the numbers. By rounding of the given numbers, and also verify the result. And also verify the result. So if you learn this estimation, then we can do this estimation in our mind only, Nana, by rounding of the numbers. Already I explained the rounding of numbers to the nearest to 10, 100, 1000 like that. Okay. So here first problem, 6829 plus 4172. So by rounding of these numbers, we have to find the sum. Plus means sum, Nana. Okay, first 6829 is rounded off to the nearest 1000. It's a 4 digit, Nana. So you have to round off this number to the nearest thousands. So to round off this number to the nearest 1000, see the digit at the hundreds place. Yes, it is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. In these cases, you add 1 to the thousands place and these digits become 0. So 6 plus 1 equal to 7 and we'll keep zeros. 7000. Next 4172 is rounded off to nearest 1000. 1000 means see the digit at the hundreds place. 1. 1 is less than 5. If the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, the thousands place become asterisk and these remaining digits becomes 0. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you? And now, come on, do this, Nana. Addition 7 plus 4, 11,000. So this is the estimated sum. Now actual sum. So 6829, 4172. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. And 11. So see children here, 11,001 is close to the 11,000, isn't it? So here 11,001 is the close to the 11,000. Is it clear to you, Nana, how to find the, how to estimate the sum by rounding off the numbers? Yes, these are the 4-digit numbers. So you should round off this number to the nearest 1000. So in this case, see the digit at the hundreds place. 8 is greater than 5. So this number is rounded up. That means you add 1 to the thousands. So it becomes 7,000. Here the digit at the hundreds place is less than 5. So do you round off this number down. 4172 is rounded down. That means 4,000. So find the sum 11,000. But actual sum is 11,001 is close to the estimate of 11,000. Okay, ma? Note down. Next problem. So 11,001 is close to the estimate of 11,000. Finish. So is it clear to you, children? Like this we will do. And next problem. Sum is over. Now difference. Next example. I am not giving the problems in the textbook, Nana. Okay. Second one, 8,843 minus 2,753. It is also 4-digit number. So round off these numbers to the nearest 1000. Okay. 8,843. 8 is greater than 5. So this number is rounded to 1000. Next to thousands. That is 9,000. And 2,753 is rounded off. See children, here 7 is greater than 5. So this number is become 3. 2 plus 1, 3. And remaining digits 0. Now you find the difference. Difference means minus 6,000. Now you find the actual difference. (8843 minus 2753). So 0, 14, 7. 4 is small, so that you take borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. Yes, 6090 is close to the estimate of 6000. Okay, ma? So practice these problems, Nana. Next, multiplication. See ma, third one, multiplication. 825 into 48. Okay? So first you estimate by rounding off these numbers. 825 is rounded to the nearest 100. It's a 3-digit number, Nana. So you round off this number to the nearest 100. So that you see the digit at the tens place. It is less than 5. So this number is rounding down. 800. So 48 is rounding to 50. Why, Nana? The digit at the ones place, 8. 80 is greater than 5. So this number is rounded up. 48 is close to the estimate of 50. Now you do the multiplication. See, Nana, 5 8s are 40. Multiply these numbers and keep these zeros as usual. So it is 40,000. Now multiplication. Actual multiplication, 825 into 48. 8 5s are 40, 4 in hand, 0 is down. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 in hand, 0 is down. 8 8s are 64, 65, 66. Okay. And now close the ones place and multiply by tens. 4 5s are 20, 2 in hand, 0 is down. 4 2s are 8. 9, 10, 1 in hand, 0 is down. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33. Add. So it is 39,600. Yes, it is close to the estimate of, is close to the estimate of 40,000. Is it clear to you, children? So therefore 39,600 is close to the estimate of 40,000. Okay, ma? Now we'll write division. So what's the problem? As 638 is divided by 27. So first round off these numbers. It's a 3-digit number. So round off this number to the nearest 100. The digit at the tens place 3. It is less than 5. So this number is rounded down. That means 6 itself and keep 2 zeros. Now 27 is rounded to 30. Okay, ma? Therefore, 600 is divided by 30 gives answer 20. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and we'll keep 0. Now, division, actual division. Actual division. So, 638 divided by 27. 27 2s are 54. So 13 minus 4, 9 and take down 8. 3s are 81. So 17 is a remainder. Okay, ma? Here the quotient is 23. So therefore 23 is close to the estimate of 20. Okay, ma? So see, children, so I hope you understand the class, Nana, today's class. So first chapter, all those concepts I covered, Nana. So you have to note down in the homework this revision. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll send the revision sheets, Nana. 3 days, same model, but I changed the numbers. Okay, Nana? So you have to practice those revision sheets, and along with the revision sheets, learn tables, 2 to 20 tables. Okay. So if you practice these revision sheets and learning tables, then you can write the FA1 exam easily. Okay, children? Bye, children. Take care of yourself and all the best for your exam. Okay, ma?